Alright, I'm gonna make a video about how to remove the curtain airbag on the Tesla Model Y. The car of the year of the car is 2021 Model Y Performance. This curtain airbag is installed on the frame on the left side. I mean on both sides. On this side you can see it too. This is how it was installed correctly, which is not popped. So I was looking, searching on YouTube, but I couldn't find any good instruction on how to take this off. There's only one thing that's maybe worth making a video about. The prerequisites for this will be removing the A-pillar upper piece, A-pillar middle piece, the headliner, the rear liner, the front headliner and the rear headliner. The B pillar upper piece doesn't seem to be necessary. It works fine for me. And the C pillar, this is what's called C pillar. Let me try to improve the lighting a little bit. Oh shoot, I disconnected the battery already, no wonder. So the C pillar right here, you need to remove it as well. So let me see if I can get to the part that's actually worth making a video about. So after you remove all the headliners, you should be able to get access to this. To just look, I'm gonna try to focus on the correct one. You will be able to see a couple bolts and nuts and with a couple of plastic fasteners as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the beginning. I think there's 1 or 2 in the back. Vaguely remember it was 1, and a bunch of other plastic fastener you just need to remove, just like the ones here. The only thing that I find a little bit tricky to me, it's because of my lack of car knowledge, is this particular piece. So this is the piece that the electric harness connects to the end of that particular airbag. So for this one, you actually need to insert a pin. Oh, sorry about the video quality, the focus has been shifting. So before I took it off, it was connected right here. So you need to actually insert a pin right here and push this orange piece toward the outside. Then you should be able to take the entire piece off. I'll show you an example right here on this side. Get to it. I don't know if you can see this. Why is it so foggy? So this is the piece where it's connected correctly. So here is where you need to put a pin inside and press the pin and pull this outwards. Once you have the orange piece outside, just like what I show you over there, you should be able to pull the entire thing. And after that, the only thing worth mentioning about is this part. This part would be the last thing that latches onto the frame. And that's it. You got it. How do you remove the curtain airbag for a Tesla Model Y?